bad idea.
Thirsty, brother?
So many holes in you, your guts will be leaking lead.
Well, then it's a good thing I brought some backup.
Ain't no hawk. Ain't nothing but bats.
It only takes one bullet.
You ain't got the nerve.
Try me.
Oh, Mr. Rango, aren't you forgetting something? Hand me your gun, Sheriff. Now, Mr. Rango.
Hold on, don't worry, I got a plan. Help! Open the door! Okay, plan B. What? Beans, you're mumbling.
All my problems taken care of. Except for one. It's a new West, Jake. There's no room for gunslingers anymore. We're businessmen now.
We got new hats. Where'd that come from? We call this improvisation.
You came back. What was that?
No need to panic, but I think you just swallowed plan B.
What?
Okay, panic time.
You and the sheriff are more alike than you think. You're nothing but legends. Pretty soon, no one will believe you even existed. One last bullet to kill one last outlaw. How fitting. Huh? Now, Sheriff, I'm sure if we work together, we could reach a mutually beneficial solution to our current situation.
You better take it up with him.
One bullet. I tip my hat to. One legend to another.
What was that you said? Pretty soon, no one will believe you even existed.